Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. We thank you for clicking on this video and seeing what we're about. I'm Corey Winnie, and this is my beautiful daughter, Everly, and this is Metalized Motorsports. We're out in the garage, fixing the car, catching up on some film. We have awesome footage from a race in the 2020 season last year at the first annual Gary Merrill race. It was a challenging race because of some complications we had with the clutch, vibrations. We had the car a bit too low and essentially knocked out our oil pan in a awesome battle with the number 92 car of Dylan Gaither. The guy runs a hard groove. I know you guys are seeing this monster behind me, so let's just take a quick trip around it. Yeah, you can tell the whole front clip's taken off. Shocks, springs, steering, everything. We got less than 2 months to get this car ready for practice. See what it's about. Fixing some body panels. Rebuilding the carb. We got a new transmission over here to put in because the old Saginaw, she's had 4 or 5 seasons, she was wore out. Put a better shifter in it. But enough about what we're doing in the garage over here. Let's get to some racing. Enjoy the video that's to come, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.